Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this the puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, December the 14th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 4 stars Sudoku. And we have 3 puzzles left. Yes, those 3 puzzles are the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, the binary with 4 stars. But you are interested in this one. Yes, it's the Killer Sudoku. Killer Sudoku number 9750. Yeah. We have, after this one, 250 puzzles left. Because, told you earlier, 10k, I will stop with puzzling. Well, not puzzling, but I will stop uploading it to YouTube. 10k is a lot. Alright, for Killer Sudoku I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, this is really a 3 stars. We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. We have 3 given numbers here. Given number 8 in this triple box of 24. That means that these 2 boxes together should be 16. 16 plus 8 is equal to 24. Well, 16, there's only one combination for 16. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. Okay. Well, this one is interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. Yeah. Well, we're given number 3, and this one, the given number 5 in this triple box of 15. That means that those 2 boxes together should be 10. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one is complete. If you count all these numbers, the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. Hey, this column has 1 sharing box. The total sum of a row is always 45. Okay, so I can use this column and this column also with 1 sharing box. Okay, this big square has also 1 sharing box. This one has also 1. This one has 1. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. This one is complete. This one has 1. This one has 1. Okay, if I count, let me start with this one. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 10 plus 8 is 18, plus 8 is 26. 26 plus 11 is 37. So 45 minus 37 is an 8. This box should be an 8. This big square, if I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 11 plus 17 is 28. 28 plus 8 is 36. 36 plus 5 is 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4. This box should be a 4. Let's go to and well, in the box of 7, the only the combination for the box of 7 will be 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. This is one is complete. Let me go to this one. 11 plus 12 is 23 plus 16. 23 plus 16 is 39. 39 plus 4 is 43. So 45 minus 43 is a 2. This box should be a 2. In the box of 11, the combination here will be 2 plus 9. 999, 27 plus 5 is 35. Plus 10, 45. Yes, correct. How about this big square? Triple 12, 36. 36 plus 7 is 43. So 45 minus 43 is a 2. This box is a 2, okay. My next strategy, now we have all the boxes filled, okay. My next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, the box of 4, only one combination, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. The box of 17, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. The box of 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Let me see. The box of 17, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. Okay. The box of 16, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. So now we have the box of 11 and the box of 12 left. Oh, wait, 3 and a 1. We have a 3 now in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 1 goes there. 1, 2, 3, need a 4. Well, in this big square, we need a 4. I cannot place the 4 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Well, the 7 is already used in the box of 16. So the 4 should be in the box of 12. Combination 4 and 8. 4 and 8. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 5 and a 6. 6 plus 5. Let's go to this big square. No. 10, 10. 1 and 7, 1 and... Well, in this big square, we need a 1. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 5, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 4. The 4 is already used in this big square. So the 1 should be in the box of 8. Combination 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Well, we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in this row, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. This box should be a 9. Alright, 9 and 8. We have a 9 now in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. So 2 boxes are left. The 11 and the 5. One of the missing numbers is 2. Well, I cannot place the 2 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 9. And we already used the 9 in this big square, so I cannot place the 2 in the box of 11, so it should be in the box of 5. Combination 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3. Now 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 and 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 and the 5. Okay. Then let me see. 9, 8, 9, 8, need a 9, 8 in there. Well, we have 8 in one of those two. We have 8 in this column. 8 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So last column, only 3 places left. 8 should be here or there. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 10. Otherwise, the combination will be 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8. Well, the 2 is already used in the last column, so I cannot place the 2 here. The 8 here. Okay, so the 8 should be in a only place left for the 8. In the last column should be here then. In the box of 15, combination will be 8 plus 7. Okay. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in one of those boxes in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for 9. Goes in the box of 10, combination 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 and 7, we have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. There are 2 combinations for the box of 6. 2 plus 4 and 5 plus 1. Well, the 1 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 1 and the 5 here. Should be the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 and the 6. 5 and the 6. That means 1 digit left in this column for the numbers. The 1 and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 and the 6. 7 is missing. In the box of 10, combination will be 7 plus 3. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 and 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 6. 4 and a 6, let me mark those. Okay. Now, let me see. How about? Need a 7 here. Well, one of the missing number in this big square is number 6. I cannot place the 6 in the box of 6, of course. Otherwise, the combination will be 6 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. So the 6 should be in the box of 9. Combination is 6 and a 3. 6 and a 3. That means we have a 6 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box can be 6 and 1. That box will be 6. This box will be a 5. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in one of those two boxes in this row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Well, I cannot place the 9 in the box of 8, so the 9 should be here and the 1 goes there. In the box of 8, the combination will be 1 plus 7. In the box of 11, the combination will be 9 plus 2. So now we have 2 boxes left in this big square, the box of 10 and the box of 8. One of the missing numbers is a 4. I cannot place the 4 in the box of 8. Otherwise, I need another 4. Double 4 is not allowed, so the 4 should be in the box of 10. Combination is 6 and a 4. 6 and a 4. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left now in this row. Second row for the mass. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. In the box of 6, the combination will be 1 plus 5. In the box of 6, here the combination will be 4 plus 2. Then, we see 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. Well, the 7 should be here. In the box of 10, combination will be 7 and a 3. That means we have a 3 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box can be a 3 and more. This box should be a 6 then. That box should be a 3 then. Alright. Eight. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those two boxes in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 8, of course, otherwise the combination will be 8 plus 0. 0 is not allowed, so the 8 should be in the box of 9. Combination 8 and 1, 8 and 1. Let me mark those. So here should be the 6 and the 5 are left. Okay. So we have 2 boxes left, the 9 and the box of 8. Well, I cannot place the 6 in the box of 9, otherwise the combination will be 6 plus 3. The 3 is already used here in this big square, so the 6 cannot be in the box of 9, should be in the box of 8. Combination is 6 and a 2, 6 and a 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 4 goes there. 6 and the 5, we have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 2 and 1, we have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 1 goes there. How about? Let me see. Well. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so we'll come next. The only 2 places left for the 3 goes in the box of 12. Combination of 3 and 9. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 12. Here are another box of 12. So the 1 should be in the box of 7. Combination 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. Let me mark those. Well, let me see. Come on. Need a 7 and a 5 and 9 in one of those two boxes in this column. 9 in the middle column. So the column next, there are only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. Well, I cannot place the 9 in the box of 6, so the 9 should be there. Then 2, 4, 8. Okay. Well, 1, 1. Well, we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. We have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this column, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here then. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Well, in this big square, we need a 6. Well, we have a 6 in one of those two boxes in this column, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 should be in one of these 3 boxes. So we have a 6 in one of these 3 boxes in this column, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. This box should be a 4. Alright. 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 and a 5, 2 and a 4, 9 and a 8, 3 and a 9, 8 and a 1. Yeah. In this big square, we need an 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, here, or there. We see another 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the 8 should be in a box of 14. Combination 4 and a 6, 4. No, 8 and a 6, 8 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 6 and a 5, we have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row 3 in the middle row. The only place left for the 2 should be there. In the box of 6, the combination will be 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 box left now in this column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing here. In the box of 12, the combination will be 7 plus 5. 2 numbers left now in the middle column for numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and an 8. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 goes there. 8 and a 1, we have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 6, we have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 9 and a 8, we have a 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 6 and a 4, we have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And 7 and a 3, we have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Finished. 18 minutes. Wow. I'm pleased with the time. Faster than 20 minutes. Should be at 2 stars. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.